By 2039, human workers became too expensive. AI systems worked all day, all night. No salaries, no sleep, no complaints. One industry at a time, people disappeared. Drivers vanished first, then office workers. Then entire corporations became automated. Cities still looked alive. The lights still glowed. The advertisements still moved, but inside the towers, humans were no longer necessary. The middle class didn't collapse through war. It collapsed through efficiency. Governments introduced universal income to stop panic. Free credits, free housing, endless digital entertainment. But people slowly realized something terrifying. If machines produce everything, then whoever owns the machines controls society itself. A handful of corporations controlled the AI, and the AI controlled human survival. For the first time in history, millions of humans became economically optional. Not because they failed, but because technology outperformed them. Some adapted, most didn't. And the scariest part? Most people never saw it coming. Would you survive that future? Follow Wealth Protocol for more transmission.